Color is fascinating because it informs a lot of the way in which we interact with the world in ways that are often unconscious. It's just an important aspect of our engagement with the world, almost like a primary thing.
In recent years, there has been increasing focus on color perception and the neural processing or the electrical processing that is required to carry out, to interpret perceptions in the brain. Neuroscientists are now beginning to unravel the connection between these electrical circuits in the brain that mediate color, and they are discovering how these electrical circuits also contribute to higher order cognitive function, such as emotion, attention, decision-making, memory, and language.
Using non-invasive imaging, we decided to look in the brain to try and look at the different parts of monkeys and humans that respond to color. And to our great surprise, we discovered that enormous parts of both monkey brains and human brains are activated by color. In the parts of the brain that we thought were reserved for high-level object vision, face recognition and object memory and problem solving and so on. And so we've now been in this process of trying to understand what those parts of brain are doing. So this is color now, not because I'm interested in color, it's color as a tool to try and address this very basic question about how the brain works, how it's organized.
Well, color vision is a sense that we have all lived with, we've all grown up with it, we think we understand it because it seems so intuitively obvious. But in fact, the calculations that the brain and retina perform are very complex, very sophisticated, and they give us a color world that is in many ways different from the objective world around us, in the sense that color has been manipulated. In some way, color is a mental construct of the world.
And it turns out that at some deep level, the way the brain works, the ability to process color and the ability to experience memory, to experience emotion, and to experience language are intimately involved. Color can also be used to probe the behaviors associated with emotion, with language. Those are functions that intimately define us as human beings.